Alright guys, we're gonna assemble a cage we bought from Thieving Otter Farm, and we'll probably do a sped up version. It'll take about an hour, hour and a half maybe. What you think, Lane? Me and Lane already assembled one, so we got all the kinks worked out. Everything's pretty straightforward. There's no cutting except for you have to cut the pieces out the doors for the doors, but everything's pretty straightforward. It comes with crimpers, it comes with the crimps, the feeders, the waters, the tubing, the water container, the float, everything you need to just set it up, and the poop trays, I forgot, and the poop trays. So everything you need just for a quick cage, and it's pretty sturdy. I enjoy it. I've been having the other one for about a month now assembled, and I do enjoy it, and I think I'll definitely get more and add more to our quail cages. But we'll see you at the end, and we'll get to assembling. So these will come with these weird looking pieces. That's your doors. You're gonna need to take a sharp pair of cutters. It's a little difficult, but and you're gonna cut them down. think you're gonna clip them, and they go on the inside and they just stay. And then what you can do is actually you put it like that, and then you can put one loose right here where you slide it up, you open the door, and then you slide it down, and it'll stay locked. And if you gotta do it 10 times. Along with everything else that comes with these water tubs and the tubing, the water tub optional can go on top. They have this float valve that you can connect where it'll automatically fill. I don't use that in my system, so in the beginning I said it comes with the feeders and the waters. It also comes with this water tank. It comes with a float with all the tubing, so your waters are gonna go here. They have a left hand, right hand. So if you do have it like me, I have this one and this one that's open, and the rest of them are divided. So they have water source on each side. Here's the feeder. It goes on with these little clips, and I know what you're thinking. You're like, oh well, look the clips, but drop the feeder in. Now, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to take the pliers that come with it, and you're gonna want to squeeze and make the openings a little bit bigger. Same thing on the feeders. You're gonna want to do that. Now I assembled this cage not where I'm gonna put it at. As you can see, it's over 6 feet tall. You can, if you want, you could just cut one layer off and you have an extra layer. Comes with poop trays for all the levels. They are plastic, so I mean, of course they're flimsy, but you can probably screw a piece of plywood, something to make it stronger. They won't rot, they won't rust. So, cage is $530 on the website. It is, so it's around $100 per level. That's your feeders, your waters, your tubing, your poop trays, your water container. I mean, everything you need. You could buy them assembled. You can buy them unassembled. They don't ship them. You have to pick them up. But I think it's a great value. I've been using one for a month, and I'm impressed with it. The poop falls through, eggs roll out, birds are doing fine. Make sure you squeeze right here. I've made that mistake on a couple of them, but all in all, it's a pretty sturdy cage. You wouldn't think. It doesn't look like it, but I definitely recommend. And it's pretty big. But I mean, me and Lane can handle it and move it around, so it's really not a bad thing to have. Well, now I'll get to move it. So like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.